Nigeria, located in West Africa, has a rich and complex history shaped by diverse ethnic groups, colonial rule, and struggles for independence. Here's a brief overview. Before colonization, Nigeria was home to several advanced civilizations and empires. The Nok civilization, 500 BC, 200 AD, known for its terracotta sculptures, it was one of the earliest sophisticated cultures in sub-Saharan Africa. The Yoruba kingdoms, including the Oyo Empire, known for its administrative complexity and trade networks. The Hausa city-states, known for trade, scholarship, and the spread of Islam. The Kingdom of Benin, famous for its art, particularly bronze and ivory works, and its advanced political system. In the late 19th century, British colonialists established control over what became Nigeria. The territory was amalgamated into the Colony and Protectorate of Nigeria in 1914, combining the northern and southern regions. The colonial period was marked by exploitation of resources and suppression of local governance, leading to resistance and nationalist movements. Nigeria gained independence on October 1, 1960, and became a republic in 1963. The country faced challenges of ethnic and regional tensions, exacerbated by its diverse population of over 250 ethnic groups. The Nigerian Civil War, also known as the Biafran War, erupted due to ethnic tensions and the attempt by the eastern region, dominated by the Igbo ethnic group, to secede as the Republic of Biafra. The war resulted in devastating human loss, including famine and over 1 million casualties. After the war, Nigeria experienced a series of military coups, with periods of authoritarian rule interspersed with brief democratic governments. In 1999, after decades of military rule, Nigeria transitioned to a stable democracy under President Olusegun Obasanjo. Nigeria has a long list of individuals celebrated for their sacrifice and contributions to the country's unity, freedom, and progress. Sir Abubakar Tafawa Balewa, Nigeria's first prime minister, assassinated during the 1966 military coup. Herbert Macaulay, a nationalist leader who spearheaded early resistance against colonial rule. Nnamdi Azikiwe, the first president of Nigeria, who played a pivotal role in the fight for independence. Ken Saro-Wiwa, an environmental activist executed in 1995 for opposing environmental degradation in the Niger Delta. Agi Aransi, Nigeria's first military head of state, also assassinated in the 1966 coup. Despite its challenges, Nigeria remains a resilient nation with a dynamic culture, vast natural resources, and a growing global presence. Its history serves as a reminder of the sacrifices made by its heroes to shape its destiny.